All right, everyone. Something a little cool I got for you today. It's a little out of ordinary for me, but it came in, I picked it up and fell in love with it. This is a US Springfield model 1884 Trapdoor. Absolutely gorgeous rifle, a piece of history. A fun fact is this is our US military's second rifle. The first one was the 1873, that was black powder. Then this is our first rifle we actually went to with the smokeless cartridges. So let's get some shots in and then see how she does. Just an awesome, fun little rifle.